Welcome back to my channel Health Tutorial. In this video, I will tell you how to simulate an up counter with reset. Okay, so this is the model which I created in the last video. Okay, so this is about up counter, but now this counter will count and reset to 0. Okay, so how to do that? So simply I will remove this part. Okay, and here I will connect one switch. So take a switch and connect it here. Okay, and this one will be connected here. Now this will be connected here, and this is here we have to connect. Okay, now take one constant. So I will simply copy and paste here. Okay, so I will make it 0. So here sample time is 1. Here also I have taken sample time 1. Okay, and this is 1 unit means 1 delay. Here also 1 delay. So now what will happen? So here I will make 5, and this threshold I will take greater than equal 5. So 5 count it will do. Once 5 count completed, okay, the counter will be reset. So now I will simulate, and easily you can see that. Let me see here what the problem. Okay, I will go here. Now here graph is perfect. Okay, here it is perfect, but here it is showing some issue. Maybe dashboard is not showing the perfect one, but here it is okay, no problem. So after each 5 count, the counter is reset to 0. Okay, I think there is problem with this signal. I will remove this one. Okay, and I will connect again the new signal. So click here, choose this one. Done connecting. Now simulate. Okay, not connected. Still it is not connected. Sometimes it is making problem. Okay, now it is the switch output is connected. Okay, so done connecting. Now simulate it. It will give the exact result. Okay, so this is how you can simulate an up counter with reset. So hope this video will be helpful for your interview preparation in model based design, okay, for automotive domain. So please like and subscribe my video. Thank you.